Greetings everyone, Alex Bigfoot Construction. Welcome back to our Miami Beach project, where I wanted to give you a progress report on our work here in the back patio. Besides removing all the existing tile and floating the floor, installing new tile, we've been able to reinforce this structure, steel plates, steel columns. We've got good work going on. Follow me to the studio. So as you saw in the previous videos, this is a music studio for our homeowner. Over here we've got our recording booth. As you saw me doing some raps in the earlier video, we've got all our outlets installed, USBs. The floor is sanded, stained, beautiful colors, hi-hat, recessed lighting installed. Gonna make some beautiful music in here, baby. Welcome to our bathroom remodel upstairs. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about waterproofing. So this is Red Guard. It's a standard in the industry. It's a waterproofing membrane. If your contractor is not using a waterproofing membrane when they're remodeling their bathroom, you have a problem. Bigfoot Construction, we build bathrooms, we build them right, we build trust.